Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit Samsung Internet Search widget on home screen. Now, this is my home screen. Now, this is Samsung Internet Search widget. I want to edit it. So what you do is that you press down on it. There are many ways you can edit it. You can move it around. Then you can also press down on it until the option for edit shows. This is the option for edit. Click on settings, and then you can decide to change it. You can see making it transparent. You can do it that way. You can also match it with dark mode or leave it in light mode. You can also enable save recent searches or not. Then you can also decide to make it white or black. So if I turn off match with dark mode, I can now decide to use the white version or the black version of it. So let's say I want to use the white version. Then you click on save. So you can see it is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.